Good morning, students. Welcome to day 10 class. Already yesterday we started the decimals lesson. Now already we completed exercise 8.1. But I told only you have to solve half exercise because some problems are left there. Now I am going to discuss that only. Okay. Then before that I will ask for some questions. Okay. Then tell me the decimal means what? What is the decimal numbers? What is the decimal numbers? Who is telling what is the decimal numbers? Decimal numbers means it is also half of the whole number. It is also half of the whole number. It is not a whole number. Then another definition is there. Which numbers has in between the decimal point that is called decimal numbers. The given numbers has in between point is there means that is we should call decimal numbers. And examples also we discussed it yesterday. Okay. Now we are going to write the numbers. Write the followings. Write followings in decimal. Write followings in decimal. Okay. Convert the following into meter. This is the given problem. Convert the following into meter, which is a 64 centimeters. 64 centimeter is there. This 64 centimeter you should convert in meter. How to convert in meter? First of all, you can understand 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? Sir, 100 centimeter. Understood? Then you should write 100 cm equal to 1 meter. Is it right? 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Then you have to convert 64 centimeter in meter. Then it is 64 divided by 100. Understood? But I told it is 100th place. You should write directly or division method. Because here 64 and here 100. After the point, two numbers are available. Because 100th place we want that. Then 64, it means two numbers are there and two zeros are there. It means you should write 0.64 meters. This is the answer. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 100 centimeter 1 meter ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Then given only 64 centimeter means less than 100 it is. Less than 100 means it is not a complete 1 meter. It is the half of the. It means less than 1 meter. Then it is 0.64 meter. It is the writing method. Understand? Then another one example. 164 centimeter. Here given 164 centimeter, 66 centimeter. Then what is that? 100 cm equal to 1 meter. You know that one. Every time you don't write because I am writing, you can understand. That's all. Is equal to 166 divided by 100. Is it right? 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Then given 166 convert into meter. But look at here, 166 is there, but below 100 is there. Then 166 means you have to write after the point should be two numbers, then here 1.66 meter, because 1 meter 66 centimeter means 1.66 meter. We are telling that. Okay, next one, third one, 890 centimeter we should convert into meter. Then 100 cm equal to 1 meter. Is it right? Then is equal to 890 bar 100. Correct? Then after the point we want to make 10th place means 8.90. We should read it is ones point tenth hundredth, because here 100 given means we want 100th place number. Understood? Okay. This one you should convert. Take a headline. Open your fair book first. You should take headline this one and this one also you should write. Write down first. Now next one problem. I am going to announce 8.2 exercise also you have to solve. Convert the following into millimeter. Convert the following into millimeter. Okay. Convert the following into not a millimeter, centimeter, because they are given in millimeter. It is centimeter. First one, 26 mm. The shortcut form is mm means millimeter, cm means centimeter, km means not a kilometer. Understood? Okay. 26 mm convert into cm. Then before that you have to understand 26 mm is there, then 10 mm equal to 1 cm. Understood? 10 mm equal to 1 cm. 10 mm including adu andra, that should be equal to 1 centimeter. Understand? Then 26 by 10. Remember thing, it is 10th place. After the point only one number, that should be in 10th place. But here sir, two numbers are there sir. We should write one number before the point. It is equal to 2.6 centimeter. This is the conversion method. This one you should write in decimals, because using the decimal point then you have to convert. Okay, then another one method is there, 26 divided by 10. This time also you have to solve means, sir I don't know sir direct method, you have to do this method. Tens are table have 26 or not? Sir, not have 26, because 10 2s are 20 is there. Then 6 0. Then point to keep and you take a 0. 10 6 are 60. 2.6. Our answer also correct. Remember. But given 10, 100, 1000 means you should do directly. But they are not given 10, 100, 1000 means you should do this method only. But I told yesterday you should convert 100. If possible, you should convert 100 or 10 or 1000. If not possible, you should do directly. Understand? Okay. Second one. 36 mm we should convert into cm. Then 36 mm means 10 mm is equal to 1 cm. Then 36 divided by 10, 3.6 centimeters. That. Okay. Then another one is, I will show you, 343 mm convert into cm. Convert into cm. 343 mm. Okay. 10 mm is equal to 1 cm. Then 343 divided by 10. Sir, here outside 3 numbers are there, here only tens. You don't think that one. After the point, tens place only we want. That's why 34.3 centimeters. This much only. Understand? Okay. These are also you should write down fast. Now, how to solve fraction to decimal? Understand? One example I will show you. 236 whole 26 by 100. This is which type of fraction? Sir, it is mixed fraction because of one whole and the combination of proper fraction is called mixed fraction. One is whole and the combination of whole and proper fraction we should call that is mixed fraction, because you have to study it in first lesson, 7th lesson. Then don't forget that definitions are very important. Then they are given this type because of they are given in expanded form. ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನ expanded form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. For example, to have which place, because you need tens 100. Is it right? You need tens 100. Is it right? Then 200 plus 30 plus 6. Then to have tens place, 2 by 10 plus 6 by 100. So what is this, sir? Because 200 2's place value, 330 place value, 6 place value, then 2's place value is 2 by 10 plus 2 by 10, then 6 place value is 6 by 100, because you know that yesterday the place value table of decimal numbers ನೆನಪುಳಿತೈತಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 6 ಅನ್ನೋದು 100th ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಐತಿ, 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು 10th ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಐತಿ, 6 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. The whole numbers you should write this type 236.26. 236.26. This is the decimal form. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅಥವಾ whole numbers ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, you should write before the point. It is 236.26. Understand? Any doubt? Okay. Next one, I will show you 62 whole 8 by 1000, 8 by 100 only. Understand? Never 62 is whole because it is mixed fraction is 62 is a whole number. Understand? Right before the point 62 and point. But they are given 8 by 100 means they are not given 10th place. ಅವರು 10th place ಒಳಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. That time don't given means, not given means you should write there 0. Then 8. It is 8 have 100th place, 0 have 10th place. You need tens. Understood? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವ 60 plus 2 plus 0 by 10 plus 8 by 100. This is the expanded form. Understand? Okay. Another one, third one. 8 whole 400 by 1000. This type problem is given means you should do directly, because 8 plus 4 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 0 by 1000, because they give 1000th place, 100th place, 10th place, unit place. Then you have to do 8.400. This is gottaita. Okay, write down this one. Next headline is write the fractions. Write the fractions or decimals. Fractions in lowest form. Lowest form. In your exercise is given there some questions. They give us this type. 0.60. First of all, this one you should convert in fraction. They given decimal, you should convert in fraction. It is very easy. Look at here. After the point, how many numbers are there? 2 numbers. Then 10th and 100th last. You should write here 100, because last number is 100th place. We should write directly 100. One time the last number is 1000th place. We should write here directly 1000. Understand? Then 60. You should write directly 60. 60 and directly ಬರೆಯೋದು. How many numbers are there? 2 zeros are there. 60 by 100. Then this one you should write in lowest form. You know that one, cancellation method, because here 1 0 and here 1 0 means 1 0 1 0 cancel. Here 6 and here 10 is there, but 6 and 10 have which table? Because cancellation means compulsory that numbers have same table. Which table? Have 2's are table. Yes, 2 3's are 6, then 2 5's are, then 3 by 5. This much. Okay. Second one, your textbook problem I am going to solve. It is 0.066 is there. You should consider after the points numbers only. Point ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ numbers ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. They are given 1 2 3. 3 numbers means tens, 100, 1000. You should write here 1000. Then here 066 is there. Before the point, before the number is 0 means it is not a value. Only you should write here 66,000, because 3 numbers are there means you want 30. Yes or not? Then you should search which table have this number. Sir, 2's are table. 2 3's are 6, 2 3's are 6, 2 5's are 10, 0 0. Then you have to take another number is there, next number which is no. Then you have to write here 33 by 500. It is the lowest form. The next going to divide third one 0.18 is there. After the point two numbers are there 118. Then 89 100 have which table? 2's are table. 2 9's are 2 5's are 0. This is 9 by 50. Any number have same table 9 and 50? Which table have? Not have means there only you have to stop it. Okay, write down this one. And this type problems in your textbook is there. Okay. Now all of you open page number how much? 41 is there. You should open it. Complete the table with the help of these boxes and use decimal to write the number. They are given A, B and C. A, B and C. Here given first column is tenths, hundredth and tenths because ones. You should write this, count the numbers and you should write the tables. Okay. Total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 is there. Yes or no? 26 is there means 2 and 6. Here write 1's place 2 and here 6. Number 26 you should write and 6 and 2 it is 0. Here one whole is there, 1 you should write B, it is 1 and how many dots are there you should count and write here. And numbers 100 and how many here are there? 28. 128 it is, because I will write now, wait, 128, 8, 2, 1. It is this type, 128 dots are there. 1's place 1 and 10's place 2 and 100 place 8. That type only how to solve that one. And here write the numbers given in the following place value table in decimal form. They are given in place value table only, you have to write in decimal form. Okay. Then I will show you one how to write, afterwards all you should write. Okay. Look at here, 3.250 is there, because 1's place 3 is there, after place is unit place, after place is point means 250, then next number is 102.630 and 30.25025 and 211.902 and 0 and 12.241. This type you have to write. Then next page, so many problems are there. This is very easy problems. Write the following in decimal in the place value table. You should make a one place value table only bigger than A, B, C, D. There only you have to continue. Write each of the following as a decimal. I solved this type problem, you have to write that type only, because 29, first one 29.41 and 337.05, because 100 is there, only 5 is given, but 10th place not given means you should write there 0. Then 7 by 10, 6 by 100, 4 by 1000 is there. But not whole numbers is given means there 0.764. You should write this type. Write each of the following in decimals in a word. 0.03, 1.20, this type you have to write. Between which two numbers are 10th place on the number line does each of the given number line. You should write in number line, then you have to write that. This one, write as a fraction in lowest terms. I solved A, B and C, D problem, remaining you have to solve. Okay. point is compare the decimal number. Comparison. But already you should know that one comparison means what? Because two markers are there means here two markers are there means you should compare what is the difference between this one and this one. Sir, this is blue, sir, this is black, sir. Blue cap and black cap. Understand? This is old, sir, this is looking like a new, sir. This type you have to comparing. Understand? That time there are given two decimals, you should compare bigger, smaller, because bigger means you should keep this type. Smaller means I am marking here where is mouth, that is bigger number, and where is arrow mark, that is smaller. Then equal. This is the symbols. Compare the decimal number, then you have to use the given symbols. It is very important. All of you write down these symbols. Then next one, I am going to explain examples. Now 2.60 and 2.06, which decimal is bigger? First of all, you should write is equal to 2.60 square box 2.06. How to compare the fractions means you should observe bigger place numbers. Bigger place means given before the point number is there means unit place. Here also unit place 2 and here also 2, because before the point one number, before the point one number is there. But here also 2 is there and here also 2 is there. So both sides is 2, then it is equal. Then go to the next number. Go to the next number. Point. Is it right? Then here the 6 is there, sir. Here 0 is there. Then you have to compare which is bigger. Sir, 2.60 is bigger, sir, because 6 and 0, which is bigger? 6 is bigger, 0 is smaller. Then 2.60 is bigger. Then you have to use this symbol, because where is mouth, that is the bigger number. Then 2.60 is bigger than 2.06. This much only answer. Okay, next one, second one, 0.090 then and 0.900. Then you have to write here 0.090 square box 0.900. Then we should compare first bigger place 0 0 equal cancel. Here 0 and here 9, so 9 is bigger. Then 0.09 is smaller than 0.900. Understand? It is very important. This one compulsory should write. Okay. Then next one is 2 and 0.200. 2 bracket square box 0.200. Which is bigger? Sir, here 2 and here 0, sir. But whole number is 2, sir. It is bigger, sir. 2 is bigger than 0.200. Okay, write down this one. Then another one, last one I will show you. 6.006 square box, 6.006. So here also 6 equal point equal 0 equal 0 equal 6 equal. So it is equal. Then 6.006 is equal to 6.006. Understand? Okay, write down this one. Dear students, look at here, exercise 8.3. Exercise 8.3 is there. 0.3 or 0.4, which is greater, is given there. 0.3 or 0.4 is there, which is greater, you should write there. And B, 0.07 or 0.02. Understand? Point is not listening there. Point is there. You should observe carefully, because of open your textbook page number, what is page number 43, open, then you have to discuss that one. Okay, then 1.23 or 1.2, which is bigger? 1.23 is bigger, because 1.2 only is there. Yep, 0.099 or 0.19 is bigger. 0.19 is bigger. Then G, 1.5 or 1.50 is bigger, you should look at there. 1.432, 1 is bigger, 1.49 is 90 is smaller. It is bigger. Then 3.3 or 3.300, you should look at that one and write the answer. Okay, any doubt means you have to send WhatsApp through, then I will explain and I will send you next video. Okay, otherwise that time only I will solve. Okay, thank you.